Patients in dire need of blood donations may soon access blood by drone delivery services with or without U2. This as Irish band U2 vowed to help Philippine Red Cross in cooperation with the California-based automated logistics company Zipline, of which U2 frontman Bono is a board member. With this first drone delivery service in the country, health workers may place orders through text messages and receive blood deliveries weighing as much as 1.8 kilos within 30 minutes. This helpline aims to bridge delivery gaps in geographically disadvantaged areas by the summer of 2020. At the sidelines of an interview, meanwhile, Bono was asked about what he has to say regarding President Duterte's stance on human rights. He replied,
"And I would just say you can't compromise on human rights, and that's my soft message to the president."